Imagine stepping into a vehicle that feels less like a motorhome and more like a five-star hotel or even a spaceship. From walls that turn transparent with a single tap to AI-driven smart kitchens and even built-in rooftop terraces, these aren't just RVs, they are the future of luxury living on wheels. Stay with me as we take you inside the world's most advanced luxury motorhomes, and trust me, you'll never look at travel the same way again. Introduction. Motorhomes used to be simple, a small kitchen, a fold-out bed, and just enough space to get by. But today's luxury RVs, they're smarter than most homes, worth millions of dollars, and packed with tech straight out of science fiction. These futuristic designs are built not just for travel, but for living in absolute comfort, style, and freedom. The smart living room. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the living space. Imagine plush, Italian leather sofas that can reconfigure themselves automatically, voice-controlled lighting that shifts from day mode to cinema mode instantly, even entire walls made of smart glass, turning from clear to opaque with a single tap, giving you privacy at night and stunning panoramic views during the day. Kitchens of the future. Cooking on the road has never been this futuristic. These luxury kitchens come with AI-powered appliances. The fridge automatically tracks your groceries and suggests recipes based on what's inside. Induction cooktops are seamlessly built into countertops, and robotic arms can even assist in preparing meals. It's literally a chef's dream on wheels. Bedrooms that feel like hotels. When it's time to rest, the master bedroom transforms into a sanctuary. Think king-sized beds with memory foam, hidden lighting panels in the ceiling, and soundproof walls that guarantee peace no matter where you park. Some motorhomes even include stargazing skylights so you can fall asleep under the open night sky. Luxury bathrooms. And yes, the bathroom isn't just functional, it's luxurious. Heated marble floors, rainfall showers, and smart mirrors that display the news or weather while you brush your teeth. You're not camping anymore. You're basically in a moving five-star spa. Outdoor living experience. What's a motorhome without the outdoors? Many of these futuristic models come with expandable decks, rooftop terraces, and even outdoor kitchens. Imagine parking at the beach, pressing a button, and suddenly you've got your own private terrace overlooking the ocean. Unbelievable tech features. Now let's talk tech. Some of the most advanced motorhomes include AI navigation systems that find the safest and most scenic routes, solar panels that power your entire home sustainably, smart climate control that learns your preferences, even biometric security systems, meaning only you can unlock the RV. These vehicles aren't just for travel, they're a statement of how far technology can take us. The price of the future. Of course, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The most advanced motorhomes can cost anywhere from $1 million to over $3 million. But for those who can afford it, they offer freedom like never before. The ability to travel the world while never giving up the comfort of home. Why people love them. So why are people investing in these futuristic RVs? Because they're more than vehicles. They're mobile mansions, smart homes on wheels, and the ultimate blend of freedom and luxury. It's not just travel, it's a lifestyle. So there you have it. A glimpse inside the world's most advanced luxury motorhomes. Which feature blew your mind the most? The smart glass walls, the rooftop terrace, or the AI-powered kitchen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd love to see more futuristic innovations like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content.